Everyone, thanks for joining in. I am Danish and I am here for the project that I've been working on. And, it is about the new emoji picker for the mobile client. My mentors were Diego Malo and Daniel Silva, and I am very thankful for them for all the guidance. So let's get started. So first, about myself, I'm Danish and I'm an aspiring full stack developer from India. I have experience in working with various web-based technologies, frameworks, and programming languages. I'm currently pursuing my engineering studies, and I'm a pre-final year student at the Indian Institute of Technology, BHU. And my main areas of interest include cross-platform app development, Web3, and open source, of course. And my Google Summer of project was based on the mobile client of Rocket.Chat, which is based on React Native. So we all love emojis, right? Emoji sends a clearer message. They helps us express our emotions more effectively and makes our communication feel more engaging. So uh, my project was based on the emoji picker that we used on the mobile client. So to give a little overview, what it was about, um, action sheets are a very common UX pattern that you can see in almost every mobile app now. So they're already present on the Rocket Chat app, like the message actions menu that appears from the bottom when you hold any message. While there are many other components which we need to render as bottom action sheets like reaction picker, reactions lists, etc. So we wanted to migrate to bottom action sheets to improve the overall experience of these components. Also, the main goal of the project was to redesign and add more features to the existing emoji picker, reactions list, and some of the other components, which should improve the overall user experience. And then we needed to render them inside the bottom action sheet. So action sheets. So these are the action sheets which you can already see in the Rocket Chat app. Um, so this one right here is the message action sheet, uh, and there are some other examples which you can see. So an action sheet is a dialog that appears from the bottom of the screen, and it displays a set of options which you can select, and like you can use them for any action that you want to use. In current trend, most of the apps uses this pattern to simplify the actions. So this was the emoji picker that we already had in the mobile app. There were some issues that we needed to solve. The UI was not very consistent. It was hard to search for emojis from the long list. You cannot delete the emojis directly from the emoji keyboard that appears from clicking on that emoji button, which you can find in the message box. So we needed to redesign the whole emoji picker and make it more user friendly. Um, so this one is the new design the that we implemented. So as you can see, we have this search button right here. You can click on the search button, and then this search bar will appear, which will have your frequently used emojis as well as the emojis that you can search uh, using this search box. We also have this backspace button that you can find. It simplifies removing the emojis that you used in your message. So it makes it much easier to like delete emojis and search for emojis from the long list. So as you can see, this was the previous design, and this was the design we changed. So next up, we redesigned the reaction picker. We all love this feature of Rocket Chat, right? Reactions on messages. Reactions are a non-verbal mode of communication, and it makes things much easier to acknowledge others when you don't want to send a completely new message or reply to that message. You can use the reactions. So the reaction picker was also not very user friendly. You could not like search for emojis very easily. So this was the other component that we redesigned to. This is the one I was talking about. Like we rendered it inside a bottom action sheet, and this appears from the bottom when you click on add reaction button that you can see right here. So when you click on the button, the reaction picker appears from the bottom, and you can like search for emojis, and like uh, there is a much better experience using this emoji picker, and I hope you will enjoy using it. So, well, no more searching in the long list for that perfect emoji you want to react. You can now search it from the list easily. The other component that we redesigned was the reactions list. Now that you have reacted on that emoji, you want to see all other people that have reacted to that message. So this was the previous design. I know it was not very intuitive and very user friendly, but we changed it to this new design that you can see all the people who have reacted on one tab, and then you can switch the other tabs to see the profile picture as well as username. So this makes much more sense than using previous design. Um, to conclude with, I am extremely grateful to my mentors Diego Mello and Daniel Silva, the whole Rocket.Chat team, for believing in me and giving me this opportunity. They have been a constant support during the project duration. Got to learn a lot from them. I hope you will enjoy using the new designs. I'm open to suggestions if you have any. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Well, that's very good, Danish. That's very good. I think we are going to see a lot more reactions now from people using the mobile, because indeed it was
Indeed.
not very good to search for the right emotion. But now it's you can easily search for that. This is very good. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So do we have? I think we have some minutes ahead. Do you have anyone have some question or something that want to add or
Uh,
so?
I just want to add that this reactions list is already available on the public beta that it has been already
Oh yeah,
released, so you can check it out on the public beta. And the public release is planned to happen next week. So that's it. I want. So
yeah, amazing. So probably we can see that updated soon, right? Yeah,
yeah,
probably Diego knows the data, because everybody, I think everybody on the chat here, everybody's like very want to do that, to test that already, and use that code. Very impressive. Thank you a lot.
thank you very
This is
much.
very nice.
Thanks for joining in. Bye bye.